Hello, this is Brett with the Tiffin group. I'm not a professional video guy, and I'm just doing this for the community. So I'm not going to edit this at all. But here's the situation. So we had a problem with our furnace in the forward part of our Tiffin. So the ours was a 2014 QBH, I believe is the model number. And so the furnace was not operating. Now, coincidentally, the Ford heat pump fan failed during this last trip. I've climbed up on the roof and replaced that squirrel cage blower. And I thought it was interrelated. I've learned a lot the last few weeks here from you guys. But so the furnace was not functioning. So when I would turn on the gas heat, all I would hear is a very modest, quiet little click from the furnace area over here. And so I've researched several videos that's helped me through this, but they went way down in the weeds. So here's what I found. If your furnace has a little modest click, it's something telling the furnace to not start, okay? And it could be several things, but what I found is this thermocoupler, I think that's what you would call it. I pulled off the leads that go to it. To access this, you have to pull off the front of the furnace, and right there where that little circle is, right in the center there, see if I can focus this, that's where this went. And so I took off the wires, as you can see here, and I shorted them out with a jumper, and the furnace started working. So I believe that was the problem. Now, coincidentally, I checked this after I took it out. So below 150 degrees, this should have continuity between these two leads. And I wish I would have checked it before I taken it out. After I took it out, it does. So my hunch is this is bad. This is a electrical mechanical device. It has a bimetal device in there that moves as temperature changes. So my hunch is this is bad, but it's not consistently bad. It's an intermittent problem. So anyway, I ordered a new one of these off of Amazon. Oh, let's see here. I had back surgery here a few months ago. I will put the link to this. And I just ordered 2 of them. Because as you know, you're traveling around, you can't get parts if it fails. The part number is right on the edge of, around the edge here. I don't know why my camera won't focus. Right around the edge of that little lip. Anyway, it's 150 degree Fahrenheit bimetal switch. So that's it. It's a relatively simple fix. And I hope this helps somebody. Thanks.